Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert your Pinterest account into a business account. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Pinterest app, and here it opens up in the home menu with our feed. From here we have to go into the saved menu, and then in the saved menu in the top right corner we find a little cog. If you tap on this, then we can go into settings, and in settings we select account management, and in the middle we find convert to a business account. If we tap on this, then we can just tap on convert account again, and it's going to guide us through the steps, and then we can update our account to a business account. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.